Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So without wasting any time, let's start. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for tattoo. Now there are two words for tattoo in Korean. One is munshin, munshin, and the second one is tattoo, tattoo. The first one is a literal original Korean word, and the second word is a loan word. It has been borrowed from the English language. So tattoo is a loan word, but you'll notice that tattoo is more commonly used among youngsters. So both of these, they translate into tattoo, but the second one is more common. Okay, alright, next comes the Korean word for cosmetics, and that is 화장품, 화장품. Okay, now let's see how to say Prime Minister in Korean language, and that is 국무총리, 국무총리. Now this word is a combination of two words. First is 국무. 국무 means state affairs and 총리 means prime minister. So basically the prime minister of state affairs is 국무총리. The literal word for prime minister in Korean language is 국무총리, but 총리 is a shortened form and it simply means prime minister, and it is oftentimes used for the prime minister of state affairs. Okay, so you can either refer to prime minister as 국무총리 or just 총리. Both of them are correct. Okay, now let's see the next word, and that is yawn. It is called 하품, 하품. Next comes the word for phobia in Korean, and that is 공포증, 공포증. Next is the Korean word for biotechnology, and that is 생명공학, 생명공학. Now let's see another word, and that is nightmare. In Korean it is 악몽, 악몽. Next is the Korean word for soul, and that is 영혼, 영혼. Let's move ahead and see the next word, and that is goblin, and in Korean it is called 도깨비, 도깨비. And the last word is scream, and in Korean it is 비명, 비명. Alright, so today we learned 10 Korean words that are used in our everyday life. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.